Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to give you a review of the dress I'm wearing now. I love this piece of fabric, but I couldn't decide what to sew of it. When Sandro Masmanidi came to my fashion house and saw this fabric, he told me to sew a dress in the style of Great Gatsby. I loved the idea. But I decided not to make a long dress with a tight waist. I knew that it would have looked amazing. I just didn't want to make a dress which will be hanging in the closet. I already have such dress. It's a long evening dress of the American designer Tadashi Shoji. I've already showed it to you. Anyway, it took me long to decide what to do, but I decided to sew a dress of my favorite design. This is my new favorite dress. It's not new. I made it for my birthday. I love it that this dress is not going to be hanging in the closet forever. I can wear it for some special occasions, to work, to a restaurant, or to a theater. It's very comfortable, so I can even take it with me when going to different cities for some special occasions or business meetings. I'm glad that I've come up with this design. It's not always good to make dresses of the complicated designs. My favorite round neckline, tiny shoulder pads, the chest darts. The dress is pretty loose and comfortable. I love this dress. The fabric, the design, its pattern and quality. The fabric itself is very interesting. This is why I decided to make a dress of the simple design. I was even thinking of making a skirt and a blouse instead of that dress. But I think that in this case, the dress was a better choice. I like wearing dresses. The dress is lined. The lining is made of silk. The dress is very comfortable. I recommend everyone making dresses of such designs. The piece of fabric is absolutely amazing. When working with such fabrics, we don't need to think of the ways to make them look beautiful. Make a pattern of the most simple design, cut the fabric and stitch it. That's it. You look amazing. Have a look at the dress once again. My favorite length, my favorite width. The dress is straight. Have a close look at the sleeves. There are very beautiful silver details at the bottom. I really wanted to show you this amazing dress. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.